Welcome. An anchor meditation is a type of somatic exercise that increases focus on the present moment. An anchor itself is a natural reference point that helps you to stay grounded and aware of your thoughts, emotions, and senses. It can help people with many types of conditions or even daily stress by taking the focus off of challenges and using mindfulness to feel safer in the situation. The anchors in this exercise will be your breath, your senses, and your environment. This practice can be used as many times per day as you deem necessary. Take all of the time you need, any time you need. You deserve to feel safe. Start by getting in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and relax your body. Breathe naturally without forcing it. Just notice your breath. You're not trying to change the breath. You're just bringing your awareness to the breath. Expanding your awareness here in the present moment. Accepting the speed of the breath. Accepting the body movements with the breath. Noticing subtle changes as you breathe in, expansion perhaps. Noticing subtle changes as you breathe out, gentle, restful. It's not about relaxation, it's about creating focus in the moment, enhancing your focus. And because this is an exercise in acceptance and willingness, I'm going to invite you to notice the sensations of discomfort. Notice the sensations that there's a natural tendency to not want to notice. An awareness of the mind and the thoughts that come up. If you maybe don't want to do the exercise or not wanting to experience any negative feelings in your body and your mind. Awareness that it's a natural trait for all humans to avoid discomfort. Allow yourself to focus on the discomfort, knowing that it's like a wave. It will have a peak and a trough. Allow that sensation to be with you, just for a few more moments. And now, I invite you to bring your awareness to perhaps 2 or 3 things that you can hear in your environment that maybe you didn't notice before. Maybe there's something that you can smell if you bring your olfactory awareness to that smell now. perhaps visualize something in your environment, even with your eyes closed, that you didn't focus on when your previous negative emotions were part of your experience. Think about it plainly in the environment. Allow your focus to be on those sensations, the sounds, smells, the mental images. Allow that focus to be with them for a few more moments. And now I'm going to invite you to return your focus back to the uncomfortable sensations. Allow the discomfort to flow over your body. Whether it's pain, distress, allow it to be your experience and your focus. Focus on it without judging it. And now, let's shift your focus back again to something in your environment. Something you hear, smell, feel, can visualize or even see if you'd like. By building the strength of your awareness and shifting to the things that you choose to, it decreases suffering. And now bring your focus back to the breath. Back to the support of where you're sitting or laying or standing. Back to the sound of my voice. Back to the light in the room or the darkness, the temperature. And when you're ready, coming back, fully aware of where you are in your environment. You now know that you can use this technique at any time to help you when you're dealing with something difficult. Focusing on the difficulty, not judging it, and then focusing on something else in your environment. You might have a feeling of safety. Safety knowing that, yes, I am going to experience these things, but I don't need to attach any emotion to the difficult part, and I can anchor myself and focus on something else. That's two different aspects of this technique. the ability to experience something difficult and detach yourself from it and sit with it, feeling safe, as well as shifting focus. The more you practice, the more benefit you will feel. I hope this has helped you like it's helped me. Sending you all of the peace and love for the rest of your day today.